Hello everyone, Marco Chiappetta for Hot Hardware here again with Lenovo. They have so much stuff to show off, we had to post multiple videos. Now this product, this one is a concept. This one may or may not arrive as designed here, but it is so cool we just had to show it to you. Sam, talk about this really cool machine that's in front of you right now.
Yeah, so as you know, with us, we're very innovative and we're always trying new things. And so you've seen different types of folding and rolling laptops and screens from us. This product in particular, I'll just go ahead and show it to you. Rolls up, and this is called the ThinkPad XD Proof of Concept.
Now, you had a rollable at CES last year, and the design is different than this one. What differentiates this one from the previous gen?
So with that product, that was our ThinkBook rollable PC, and what happened was the way we designed that one was the screen rolled, kind of slid underneath the chassis. With this particular product, the screen now folds over the top of the display. There are some advantages to this type of design. With this, we get the ability to have a more balanced system, so the base of the device isn't so heavy. So that's a big advantage. And also, we saved some screen real estate here to be able to use. Instead of hiding some of the screen here, as you'll see, instead of the screen hiding underneath the chassis of the device, we get to use some of the screen still at the top.
And then that's configurable. You can have a static image, notifications, weather, stuff like that, right?
Yeah, as you can see, we have some widgets on this early sample, but you can get the idea that you can possibly use this for other features.
Gotcha, gotcha, very cool.
And some other things that you've seen on the bottom here when I had it up was the ability to see some of the mechanics of the device, the mechanical engineering that we put in to the device. You'll see that it has several motors as well as some carbon fiber cables that work in kind of a pulley system.
That is really cool. Now, I know this is just a concept, but I'm assuming Panther Lake inside this particular model here?
Yes, eventually, yes, when we launch it, when we launch it.
If when, understood, understood. Thank you so much, Sam. That machine is really cool.
Yeah.